Hi folks, welcome back. Just had to go and change the battery after the last video. Battery ran out in the camera, so back to stripping the subframe. As I said before, everything's been sprayed with Lucy Juice. I'll let it soak in, so still makes no difference, as you know. If you've ever stripped one of these before, every nut and bolt on them is just solid. So even after you've got them moving, they're still solid. Anyway, let's get it done and see what we can get done. These are all coping well with your isolation. Self-isolation society. Another spray of Lucy Juice just to clean up the threads after I've removed everything. There you go. Me doing my best Buddha impression. As I said before, sorry about the sun. No used to having that big yellow thing there. Plays havoc with the camera. This is moving quite easily actually. I'll just go and get a socket and a ratchet, I think. Can find it. I'll get some fun and games next week. I've just ordered a 15 kilo 0.6 wire from a MIG welder. Bottle of gas is full, regulator acquired, so nothing's stopping us now. So I'll stick up a couple of videos next week of me practicing my welding, so I need to find the bleeping machine to bleep out all the expletives. Anyway, back to this. Is there an easy way to get these bolts out? Answers on a postcard, please. Don't make life easy for you, do they? We'll get back to the plumbing tools. try to do an escapology bit along the alley, so you give me a shout back. Back to your bed. Good turn though, innit? But it still doesn't want to move, still doesn't want to come out. Nope, I think that's a job for another day. Give that a miss for now. Give that a good spray with the old Lucy juice, let it penetrate into it, I think. Because it just isn't having it. Maybe have a better look at it when I've got a bit more patience. Maybe work something up to push from behind it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyway, on to the other side for now. I need to turn to YouTube now myself and have a look at a few MIG welding setup videos and practice videos. I'm told it's easy, but famous last words. I'm really rocking this Buddha pose, isn't it? The big bus sitting in the background there, it's not getting driven. I've actually been using it to do the shopping and stuff, so it's start turning a wheel. Easy wee move again. Look, the weeds are starting to come up. As I say, what I think I'll do is just give them a right good soaking with some Lucy juice, let it soak in, and then maybe come back to it next weekend when I've got a bit more time and I've got a load of things to do at home. Got my orders, so I'll get them out of the way first, then I can devote my entire time to the garage. going to self-isolate in the garage. Yeah, let's just put it away for now before I lose the ragware. Get the stubborn shocker off the radius arm at the back there. Got the bolt off and it just would not move. The bottom rubber bushes are just all distorted and it's like stuck to the bolt, stuck to the stud. That's it. If at first you don't succeed, get a bigger lever. Keeping an eye down the alley there. One of my neighbours has come out with his dog, and Simba's not a lover of other animals and other people. They're very nervous dogs, so just got to keep an eye that they don't come up this way, otherwise I need to put the dog away. They seem to be playing away down the bottom end there, so I'm just he's okay. Oh, this to get a shock absorber off. Oh, we're on the run, there we go. Another one for the parts bin. Have a clean up, put the stuff away. So I've just got the two doors to take off, people, and that's us down to a shell. So I'll maybe do a video of them next week, taking the doors off and stripping the doors. And basically we're ready for welding, so as I say, I'll get the welding practice going next week. And see how we go. And then it's decision time, whether to weld it myself or whether to get somebody in to weld it. But looking at the isolation thing, I don't think I'll be getting MD in to weld it, so I'll need to do it myself. So it's one of them. Anyway, like everything else, we'll get there in the end. Hope you have enjoyed the wee video. If you did, don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. As I said before, stay safe out there, people. follow the advice. It's for everybody's benefit, whether you like it or not, whether you believe it or not. Take care.